Okay, Brent, this is it. 2015 Ford Focus, 52,000 miles. It'll be about 53,000 miles by the time you get it. They call this magnetic gray, I believe, or something like that. No dings, dents, scratches. New tires. Backup camera. I mean, you look down the sides of that and there is no dents. You got a few little light scratches on the back there, but I mean, nothing that I would throw a fuss over. Non-smoker. It's got roll-up windows in the back. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got it's averaging 32 miles to the gallon. Probably just cruising around the parking lot and stuff, so I can't imagine it gets any worse than that. We've got let's see what we got here from media. You've got Bluetooth, USB, CD player, hands-free calling, air conditioning. Thing is pretty good shape. So got a USB port in the middle here. Other than that, this is it. Here's the Focus. I'll send this video over to you really quick. Thanks, bud. Bye.